Okay, so take a look at the Orico M.2 NVMe and next generation form factor hard drive enclosure. Okay, so our cable is USB-C to USB-C, and this is the enclosure. We got our USB-C port on the side, and we got a release lock on the back. You can see it's got an arrow, so it tells you the way that you got to put it. And then we got these nice quick locking pins. I always like seeing that. So that is going to attach with these plugs. So just take our M.2 drive, stick that on there. See the plug sticking out the bottom. Then you want to line up this slot with that notch on those pins. Put our finger on that bumper and pop it in. We also have in this kit thermal pad and a little heat sink. So just peel that cover off and stick it right on. And it's kind of like double stick tape. So just peel the other side off and stick our heat sink on that. So that's going to help to pull heat away from that drive to make it last longer. Now we can put that cover back on and then lock it. And let's run a quick test to see how this performs. Can't see that the LED is blinking, so we know it's working. Okay, so those are some very nice numbers. I actually did this exact same test, the exact same hard drive on a different adapter, and it got about half these speeds. I thought that was just a drive, but it turns out the enclosure made all the difference. So, for the sequential 1 megabyte at 8 process 1 thread, we got 1023 read and 983 write. So that is a very respectable speed. For the 1 megabyte 1 process 1 thread, we got 867 and 881. So again, that's super fast. The random 4K at 32 process 1 thread, we got 232 and 242, so it actually wrote a little bit faster than it read. And then for the worst case scenario, the random 4K at 1 process 1 thread, we got 25 megabytes read, but we actually got a full 76 megabytes write. So this enclosure is making this drive look really good. I am very impressed with that. So yeah, overall that is a very nice enclosure, and I will definitely be using that.